Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your email in the Wattpad app. If you want to update your account information quickly and securely, this guide will help you do it easily on your phone. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to update your email. First, open the Wattpad app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and click on your current profile photo. Then, click on the Settings icon, which is also located at the top right. After that, navigate to Profile and Account Settings. Next, scroll down the main menu until you find the Email Field tab on the Email field. Then, type in the new email address that you want to use. After entering your new email, tap on the Change or Update button to confirm the modification. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends who use Wattpad. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.